3, 2, 1, go. Hey, this is how to do a 360 on a scooter. So what you gotta do is you gotta learn how to do a jump first. After you learn that, you gotta, when you do that jump, curve it out to the side so you can start to get the spin of it. So like this, jump, and when you do it, curve out, and then keep on spinning and whip yourself to the side. So you keep on spinning around, and then when you want to stop, try to hold yourself to the left way. Just demonstrate. That's how to do a 360.